You want to be a YouTuber? It's an exciting journey, filled with creativity, passion, and a whole lot of fun. Imagine sharing your unique perspective with the world, connecting with people who share your interests, and building a community around your content. You got a message, a passion, a burning desire to share your thing with the world? Whether it's gaming, cooking, travel, or just your daily life, there's an audience out there waiting to hear from you. Your voice matters, and your story is worth telling. Awesome! The world needs more of that. More authenticity, more creativity, more people like you who are willing to put themselves out there and make a difference. It's not just about the views or the subscribers. It's about the impact you can have on someone's day, someone's life. But let's be real. Clicking record is just the first step. It's the beginning of a journey that requires dedication, effort, and a willingness to learn and grow. It's about more than just hitting that record button. It's about what you do before and after that moment. To crush it on YouTube, you gotta bring the heat with every upload. Consistency is key, but so is quality. Each video is an opportunity to improve, to refine your skills, and to connect with your audience on a deeper level. It's about pushing yourself to be better with every piece of content you create. Think quality content, engaging storytelling, and a whole lot of hustle. It's about planning your videos, crafting compelling narratives, and putting in the work to make sure every detail is just right. It's about understanding what your audience wants and delivering it in a way that's uniquely you. This ain't Hollywood, but that doesn't mean you can't learn the tricks of the trade to make your videos pop. From lighting to sound to editing, there are so many elements that go into creating a great video. And the best part? You can learn all of it, step by step, and apply it to your own content. We're talking planning, shooting, editing, the whole 9 yards. It's about being organized, having a vision, and executing it with precision. It's about taking the time to plan your content, shoot it with care, and edit it to perfection. It's a process, but it's one that can be incredibly rewarding. And the best part? You don't need a fancy studio or $1 million budget. You can start with what you have right now. A smartphone, a simple setup, and a lot of creativity can go a long way. It's about making the most of your resources and finding innovative ways to create great content. Just passion, a smartphone, and this guide to get you started. There are so many resources available to help you learn and grow as a content creator. From online tutorials to community forums, there's a wealth of knowledge out there just waiting for you to tap into it. Ready to unleash your inner Spielberg? Let's do this. It's time to take that first step, to hit that record button, and to start sharing your story with the world. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and your journey as a YouTuber begins right now. So what are you waiting for? Lights, camera, you. Before you even think about hitting record, you gotta figure out what the heck you're gonna record. What's your story? Every great video starts with a compelling idea. It's the foundation upon which everything else is built. So take a moment to think deeply about what you want to share with the world. Is it a personal experience, a unique skill, or a fascinating piece of knowledge? Your story is the heart of your content. What gets you fired up? Passion is contagious. When you're genuinely excited about something, it shows, and your audience will feel that energy. Think about the topics that make you lose track of time, the subjects you can talk about for hours without getting bored. These are the ideas that have the potential to go viral because your enthusiasm will draw people in. What do you know that others don't? Everyone has a unique perspective or a special set of skills. Maybe you have expertise in a niche field, or perhaps you've had experiences that others can learn from. Identify what sets you apart and use that as the cornerstone of your content. Sharing your unique knowledge can position you as an authority and attract a dedicated audience. Brainstorm, baby! Write down every single idea that pops into your head, no matter how crazy. This is the time to let your creativity run wild. Don't censor yourself or worry about practicality just yet. The goal is to generate a wide range of ideas. You never know which seemingly outlandish concept might turn into a brilliant video. Done? Now look for patterns, themes, things that genuinely excite you. That's your sweet spot. Once you've got a list of ideas, start organizing them. Look for common threads and recurring themes. These patterns can help you identify the core message or the main focus of your content. The ideas that resonate most with you are likely to resonate with your audience as well. Once you've got your niche, it's time to outline your content. An outline serves as a roadmap for your video, helping you stay on track and ensuring that you cover all the important points. Break down your main idea into smaller sections or segments. This will make your content more organized and easier to follow. Think about your audience. What do they want to know? Understanding your audience is crucial. Take the time to research their interests, preferences, and pain points. What questions are they asking? What problems are they trying to solve? Tailoring your content to meet their needs will make it more relevant and engaging. What problems can you solve? Your content should provide value to your audience. Think about the challenges they face and how you can help them overcome those obstacles. Whether it's through tutorials, tips, or insightful discussions, offering solutions will make your content more impactful and appreciated. Break down your ideas into digestible chunks, like chapters in a book. This approach makes your content more accessible and easier to consume. Each section should focus on a specific aspect of your main idea, providing clear and concise information. This not only helps in keeping your audience engaged, but also makes it easier for them to retain the information. This keeps viewers engaged and coming back for more. Consistency and clarity are key. When your audience knows what to expect and can easily follow along, they're more likely to stay with you till the end and return for future content. So take the time to plan and structure your videos thoughtfully. Your effort will pay off in the form of loyal and engaged viewers. Don't stress about fancy equipment. Your smartphone is a powerful tool. It's got a decent camera and mic built right in. Start there. As you grow, consider investing in some upgrades. A good external microphone can drastically improve your audio quality. A tripod will keep your shots steady and looking pro. And good lighting? Game changer. Remember, the best camera is the one you have with you. Don't let gear hold you back. Start creating with what you've got and upgrade as you go. Setting the stage lights, camera, action. Location, location, location. This is where the magic begins. The right location can make or break your video, so it's crucial to choose wisely. Choose a spot that's visually appealing and relevant to your content. Think about the story you want to tell and how your location can enhance that narrative. Whether it's a cozy corner of your home or a bustling cityscape, the right backdrop sets the tone. Clean, uncluttered backgrounds work best. A minimalist approach ensures that your audience's focus remains on you and your message. Clutter can be distracting and take away from the professionalism of your video. Natural light is your friend, so open those curtains. The soft, diffused light from the sun can make your video look more natural and appealing. Position yourself facing the light source for the best results. Speaking of light, avoid shooting directly into bright windows. This can cause overexposure and make your footage look washed out. Instead, position your camera so that the light illuminates your subject from the front or side. It'll make your footage look dark and amateurish. Poor lighting can ruin even the best content, making it hard for viewers to see and engage with your video. If you're shooting indoors, invest in some affordable LED lights. These lights are versatile and can be adjusted to create the perfect lighting conditions for your shoot. They are a game changer for indoor filming. They'll make a world of difference. Good lighting can elevate your video from amateur to professional, making your content more engaging and visually appealing. Finally, pay attention to composition. How you frame your shot can significantly impact the overall quality of your video. A well-composed shot draws the viewer's eye to the most important elements. The rule of thirds is your friend. This classic composition technique involves dividing your frame into 9 equal parts using 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. Imagine your frame divided into 9 equal parts. This grid helps you position your subject in a way that's naturally pleasing to the eye. Place your subject at one of the intersecting points for a more visually interesting shot. This technique can add balance and interest to your composition, making your video more engaging for viewers. Remember, a well-thought-out shot can make all the difference in how your content is perceived. Sound advice: getting the audio right. Bad audio can ruin a great video. People are more forgiving of shaky footage than they are of muffled sound. Use an external microphone whenever possible, especially if you're recording in a noisy environment. Test your audio before you start shooting. Record a few seconds, then play it back to make sure everything sounds clear. Avoid echoing rooms and background noise like traffic or construction. Remember, clear audio equals happy viewers, and happy viewers equal YouTube success.